Happy Monday, everybody, and welcome back to the farm.
Welcome back.
Welcome home, Dragan.
Oh, where you been?
Reunited, and it feels so good, right? Did you miss us?
No.
What do you mean, no?
Not at all.
Where you been?
Been around.
Around. What's going on here? This is a new vantage point for people today. We're in our egg sorting room inside the house. It's freezing cold outside today.
It's a cold one today. I have 3 brutally cold days coming up. Low teens to a single digit temperatures overnight. And I didn't think next 3 days, I didn't think they were going to break 30.
No, we're going to be in the 20s the next few days. I think and then Thursday we will just barely touch freezing point.
So,
That's the high, that is.
we sold out of eggs in the store, and these are the eggs that you just saw us collect. We're just packaging that up in case we still have another 10 minutes that we are open. Most of the stores around us are sold out of eggs, so we are kind of our most only source of eggs here in the county right now.
Outside of smaller homes,
farms,
yeah.
A few other farms, small farms, yeah. So yeah.
Every day somebody's posting in the community group, where can I get eggs? And there are dozens of people who are tagging us in those comments and posts. So we do our best to keep up. We tell those girls, squeeze.
Yeah, these are unwashed eggs. So we have 5 dozen medium eggs. So we sell medium and large eggs. Large and extra large, we kind of sort them in the same 5, 10. So we have 10 dozen here. And these are the dirty eggs that's still need to get cleaned up. So I don't know, what do we had, 100 and?
I don't know.
180 even, I believe. So we had, these are 3, 6, 24, 26 dirty eggs, which is not bad. So we also separating, did you show them the eggs that we separating?
No,
You talk about that?
I have not.
You talk about that coop?
No, I have to leave something for you.
Oh, my God.
People get tired of hearing
I'm
from
only
me.
going to talk about that tomorrow.
Oh, there you go. Leave something
we
for
have
tomorrow.
a breeding pen that we separated all white leghorns and one of the roosters. So we're going to start incubating very soon. So
All right. Well, we are happy to have you back, Dragan.
I'm happy to be back.
The people have been wondering, is he coming back? Do we have to drop the S? Or
On gardeninggays.
yeah. All right. Well, welcome home.
It's good to be home. So
We'll see you tomorrow, yeah?
absolutely, I'll be here. All right. Happy Wednesday, everybody, and welcome back. Another monumental day on the farm. Milk truck delivery just left, and here's what we have. Another huge day for the farm and the farm store. We're gonna start carrying local milk and dairy products. So this is just the start. We'll have fresh delivery every Wednesday. Super excited, and I'm sure our local customers are going to be super thrilled about this. So looking forward to it. Now let's set up the cooler with the milk.
Happy Wednesday, everybody, and welcome to a monumental day here at the farm. What? Dragan? Oh my God, apparently you guys have already been introduced. Nobody told me. I was out getting chicken feed earlier today. Yes, we can't see, there's too much sunlight.
Yeah.
So, take it away, Dragan.
No, you take it away.
I have no idea what you said, so it's all on you.
Happy Wednesday. Welcome back. Monumental day. After that.
Okay.
After that.
So, what's happening here? What did you just do?
If picture or video has 1,000 words, so here it is. Yeah, definitely a big day for the store, for the farm. Super excited to have some dairy products from a local dairy. It's a last minute order, so we ordered it on Monday. So some of the stuff was not available, but I think this is a good place to start. It makes the refrigerator really look nice and full. So super excited about it.
It's a big week here overall, not just only with having the products here now available to our customers, but we have a special activity happening tomorrow as well that we will bring you guys along for.
Yeah, we can record a check with Michael, so we can
Oh,
record it.
awesome.
So we're definitely gonna bring you along. We have a
We can show them tomorrow. Let them continue watching. Big
we'll
reveal.
tomorrow.
Big reveal tomorrow.
But yeah, big day tomorrow. Big day today. Tomorrow we close today. It's Wednesday. But yeah, now fun time with pricing and getting everything priced and put into the system. So
And sold.
And sold.
That's the important part. Milk. Let's get it out the door. Super excited. See you guys tomorrow. Just because we thought people would want to see kind of the transformation. When we bought this property, this was always a goal of being able to have a space where we can have things like this, like what we're doing today. The orchard was planted 2 years ago in like 3 weeks. February 2 years ago, we planted that orchard. Bare root. We started off with 220 fruit trees and then came back in last year and added probably another 80 trees. So we got right around 300 or so fruit trees on the property right now. Everything from peaches, pears, plums, apricots, nectarines, cherries, quince, figs, pomegranate, hopefully. We tried some pawpaws last season. They didn't take, but what it's all about for us is always kind of the idea of staying flexible with what we're doing and different things. So that's how we ended up here. This community has been super amazing, which is why we're able to get to where we are now 3 years in. Building out the store was on our 5-year plan, and we're happy to have everybody now come down to Champion's Orchard, which is so named after our dear friend Cheryl, who's right here. That orchard is there thanks to her generous donation for helping us get it in sooner than later. And so she's here today. She's an integral part of our operation here. So we are just thrilled to have all of you here with us. If you guys have questions about anything along the way, we're here, we're happy to answer. And we are going to turn it over to Michael and let him take control of the ship.
all day?
Haven't talked all day. Shh, not right now. We're looking at the sunset.
What have you been doing all day?
As you can see, Dragan is here with us while we're trying to enjoy that beautiful sunset back there. We have had a day, haven't we, Dragan?
It's a good day.
We mentioned yesterday that something was taking place today, but we decided to not say what it was. We still didn't say what it was until now. But we had the Virginia Cooperative Extension, which is a partnership with the USDA, Virginia State University, College of Agriculture, Virginia Tech University. We're out here today for a beginning orchard tree pruning class. Beginners.
Pruning class.
Dragan?
Yeah. So yeah, our goal with this farm was always to bring community together and do this type of events. Snow is chewing on
snow.
On ice. So our goal was always, like I said, to do this type of events for the community, for people that live around us, and it was great to see. We had, I think I counted, including us, 33 people, which is great turnout. People drove from 2 hours away, you know. It's great to see a response and reach on our social media, the people coming over. So it was great to see, and it was everybody was happy with the class. We instructor was great. We sampled the pruning apple, pear, apricot, and peach. So that was good. I've fallen behind a little bit of pruning, even though I did some of the pruning, but the instructions were a little more clear. You know, it's hard for a first-time grower on this scale. You know, when you plant that tree and you see it thriving, and it's hard to do that harsh prune, but it's actually necessary if you want to have manageable fruit and be able to reach your fruit off the ground. And so he gave us some great points. So we're gonna probably in the next couple of days get on with and take care of the rest of the orchard. Trees that we showed you before in previous vlogs that have deer damage, we're gonna try to graft below the damage if we can to salvage those trees. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we can do that. But yeah, it was an awesome day. So
yeah, and looking forward to being able to do more things like this in the future.
Yeah, I really asked him to do this class again next year, follow-up class. Hopefully, he managed to do that. So yeah. So these are the type of partnerships that we're looking to have in the area and with groups and people in the community. So it was a good day. It was great to see that. So.
All right. Well, thank you so much for sitting down and talking with us, Dragan.
Anytime. Stop by anytime. You can always find me around the sunset time.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right.
Just absorbing the sunset.
Okay. All right. Well, we're gonna absorb it a little more ourselves here.
Snow, stop eating snow.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy Friday, everybody. We have made it to the end of the week and to the start of our hatching season for 2025. We have moved the incubator this year into our garage space. We had quite an issue last year with keeping the temperature as warm as we needed to. And so this year we are putting it in a warmer space. Last season we had it in the back of the barn, and we had to put a moving cloth around the incubator, as well as try to pack it as well around it with some straw to keep it a little more insulated. And so now we are back inside of our garage. This space stays a little bit warmer, especially with some windows in here, allowing some heat to come in throughout the day. If this is your first time joining us for hatching season, this is an old beverage refrigerator that stopped maintaining its cold temperature that we needed, and so we converted it into an incubator. How did you do that, Dragan?
Switches to the other side, cooling, heating. It's just one switch. No, so we got this heating tape. It's a reptile heating tape. You can see that zebra-looking thing inside. That's a heat strip. And then we have the controller up here. So right now, temperature is set to 101. It fluctuates between 99 degrees and 101. Currently, because we just opened the door and we were putting the stuff in, so it dropped to 90 degrees. Chicken eggs, most bird eggs, poultry eggs need temperature of 99.5 to 100.5 degrees. Chicken eggs take 21 days to hatch. After about 7 to 10 days, I'm going to come back there and check which ones are fertile, which ones are not. So we'll definitely bring you along for that, yeah. But we love hatching, so we started hatching
Right away.
right away, yeah. This is our first year testing the hybrid breed that we're making, crossing the white leghorn hens with the hybrid rooster that's a cross between Australorp and Rhode Island Red. So they're all high production egg layers, so we're hoping to get another hybrid breed of egg layers for our farm. So looking forward to that.
You know, earlier this week we said we would take folks to show them the breeding pens. We didn't. So
You haven't?
No,
Yeah,
we'll do that.
so
We'll do that at
today.
afternoon feeding
So,
time, so you can see where these eggs are coming
So yeah,
from.
we had these hens and roosters separated for last. We separated them
A month ago, almost.
over a month ago. Yeah, over a month ago. So, but yeah, looking for. So every 10 days we'll be adding a new tray, and in 3 weeks we'll have some baby chicks. So.
All right, looking forward to it. Hopefully, this space, we used to have the incubator not in here, but in the garage over, middle garage. But this one actually stays warmer. So we'll see how temperature maintains here with this. Of course, the garage door will be closed more often than being open, so that will
Sorry
help
about it.
too.
It's not a dirty glass, and this is a triple layered glass, insulated glass, and somehow we got this refrigerator. It was already like this. The middle glass that we cannot get to is broken, so we can't clean it. We can't. So inside and outside glass is clean, but the middle glass, unfortunately, we can't do nothing. We can't get to it. But it holds the temperature. It should be all right. So.
Yep, it's functional. It does what we need it to do. That's what matters. Everything gets repurposed on the farm.
Yes, indeed.
And this is one of our, as basic and odd as it might look, it's a very important piece of the operations here every year.
Yeah, so tray has 60.
Oh, you have a tray right there. You want to show them the tray that our friend Larry made for us?
63. So 9 times 63. You hold 63 eggs. More if they're smaller, less if they're larger. Eggs need to be rotated a couple times a day. We do it twice a day, usually once in the morning, once in the evening. The way we sold that, we used to. There's egg turners that you can buy that are automatic egg turners. They cost about $50 for 40 eggs, but we didn't want to reduce amount of eggs that we have per tray, so we kept it at 60. And the way we move the eggs is we just move this little wooden rack, and eggs rotate as you move them. So that's how we take it. We do that 3 times a day. It takes
Seconds.
seconds. So they don't lose the heat, they don't lose the humidity, and gets the job done. So it was working perfectly fine. So we had a great success hatching last year. So fingers crossed for this year.
And we'll check out the parental units of these eggs later this afternoon when we do our afternoon chores. Hatching for the season underway. Well, beginning to be underway. Friends, beef is back in stock in a big way. We just had our first whole cow of the season delivered by Monrovia, which is a local beef farm only 20 minutes away from us. We have some new cuts of beef to offer. Short ribs are on the menu. Ossobuco is back. That was a very Ossobuco popular cut is back in stock. The reach-in freezers also too have been refilled and refreshed. Mostly we still are going to do some price adjustments on a few things before we fill up the rest of it, but I'm sure that folks will be happy. We've been promising them some stuff that was going to be new and different, including some beef patties headed their way this season. Looking forward to trying those too as well. Of course, we still have the regular ground beef so the folks can make up what they want, but if they can cut out a step, get to dinner a little bit quicker with the patties, then that is an excellent option as well. For winter time, the store is starting to really come along nicely. I was telling Dragan a little bit ago that we are fielding more and more phone calls about when are you open? Are you open today? Are you open tomorrow? And it's very nice to have that here in our community. Dragan, closing thoughts?
Thank you.
Before your freezer turns on behind you, your fridge?
No, that's it, yeah. We got to do some adjustments, new pricing, because as everything, the processing prices went up, so obviously that's going to reflect the beef prices on us. But yeah, we got some nice, exciting cuts. Looks good. So looking forward to see what our customers are going to say. So it's nice to see finally some stuff in the freezer, because it was starting to look bare without no chickens, most of the beef. And it's starting to look presentable. So
Absolutely.
great response to the milk. Yeah, this was our first couple days for the milk.
First one day, yesterday.
Oh,
It's been-
2
it's
days.
been-
So. Great response. People are really excited about having organic grass-fed milk. So that's super exciting. Response has been great. So yeah, looking forward to another exciting week. Sorry we promised you show you the breeding pen, but to show them outside, it got dark. So
We ran out of time. So come back next week.
sorry, Matt Damon, we ran out of time. So come back next week. We'll show you the breeding pen. So.
For real this time.
Definitely tomorrow for the next week's vlog. I'll be there.
That's going to do it for us this week. We want to thank each and every one of you, as always, for stopping by. Dragan is back in a big way, as you can see. We missed him for the time he was gone, and he shows up, and whammo blammo. Things are really moving here the first month of January. We are super excited for what 2025 has in store for us. And hopefully that means meeting many of you in person who have been wanting to come to the farm or saying you're going to visit next time you're in town. Please do. We're looking forward to it.
Absolutely, yeah. Did you thank people who came out for the class yesterday?
Oh, no. Yeah, we did not. Thank you as well. Yeah.
So for all of you that stopped by yesterday for the pruning class with our partnership with Virginia State University and
The Virginia Agriculture Co-op. Yep.
yeah. So that was awesome. We had a great turnout of 30
Plus.
35 people. We already have requests from local
Ag agent, yeah.
ag agent to do some more classes here on the farm, which we definitely looking forward to that, and really exciting. So thank you all for who participated yesterday in the class. So.
Yep.
With that said, Kevin,
If you happen to be traveling through Virginia, coming down US 301 and driving through King George County, make sure you stop right here and see us at the farm. Everybody stay safe out there, and we'll see you again real soon.
we'll see you next week.